श्री राधे। निगमकल्पतरुर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखाद्रोत्सञ्जुतं पीबत भागवतं रसमालं मोरसिक भुवि भावुका। श्लोक रखो। This verse is the one of the Mangalacharan of Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpatarur galitam phalang. Nigama kalpatarur means the Srimad Bhagavatam is a fruit, ripened fruit of desire fulfilling trees of Vedas. Also, Sukadeva Goswami invite Rasik and Bhavuka. Two categories he is inviting. Bhavuka means the thoughtful, and Rasik means the relaxing people. Not for common people he is not inviting. Because he is a perfect person. Thoughtful, relaxing, you come and again drink this nectar of Bhagavatam. What happened? He invites and speaks, O thoughtful, relaxing, you come again and again drink this nectar of Bhagavatam. It is a reservoir of all transcendental mellows. But one thing, tree, they compare with tree. This is the wish fulfilling tree. The tree has many parts. A tree has many parts. Similarly, according to Sukadeva Goswami, the Srimad Bhagavat also, the Veda also, Vedas are like a vast tree with roots, with branches and leaves, and fruits also. With roots means a tree has, with roots means some spiritual principles. With the branches means the different paths of the worship. In Veda, everything revealed in the Veda. That, and with branches, leaves as the ritual, various of rituals, karma kanda rituals. And the flowers of this Vedic tree, the flowers are like our transcendental discussion, spiritual, transcendental discussion. But the real fruits of the essence of the tree is a fruit, not branch, not root, not leaf, not flower. The real essence of the tree is a fruit. In the same way, the real fruit of this Vedic tree is Srimad Bhagavatam. Also, these mellows already contained in this Srimad Bhagavatam. All mellows, this rasa. That's why Sukadeva Goswami invites only thoughtful persons and there are 6. Those are relaxing peoples. It is the ripened fruits, no skin, no seeds. We have discussed about all since long days, since few days before. So many authors, so many commentators has expressed their own vision, philosophy, spiritually. Everything is written in Bengali also, but Sanskrit also something. The gist essence of Veda is the real Bhagavatam, so one should listen Bhagavatam. But here today we'll hear, listen Bhagavatam is not enough for all. Drink the Bhagavatam. Listen means sometimes enter and exist. Drink the Bhagavatam. One should digest the mellows of the Bhagavatam. What is revealed in this content, in this text. So one should digest this rasa. Bhagavat is a non-different of Sri Krishna. Non-different of Sri Krishna. That's why the essence of Srimad Veda is Sri Bhagavatam. That means the pure love and devotion to Lord Sri Krishna. It is the real essence of Sri Bhagavatam. Pure love. Some Acharya speaks to attain the Krishna, to see the Lord the Krishna, not necessarily any sadhana. No sadhana, no austerity, no sacrifices. Already Veda revealed, in Veda also revealed so many sacrifices, austerities, duties, everything is written. But in Bhagavatam, only emphasis on the love only. Unless and until the love, pure love and devotion, no one can attain the Lord Sri Krishna. So our Acharya, some commentator speaks, if someone has love, pure love, unalloyed love, but one-pointed love, Aikantika Prema, one-pointed devotion, so no sadhana, not need, no extra efforts, no need extra efforts, because it is the effortless sadhana. There is one Mataji, the devotee, Janabai. In ancient India, Janabai, name was Janabai. The time of the Kabir, you see, maybe all you know Kabir, the saint, great saint, the Kabir Das. When Kabir was preaching throughout the India, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, he heard about the Janabai. There is one great Mataji devotee of Krishna, Janabai. He wanted to meet her. He wanted to meet her because one saint obviously likes to meet another saints. Finally, he reached where the Janabai was living. He asked some people, where is Janabai? That time, whom he was asking, that person showed somewhere direct. Oh, there is Janabai. Kabir was looking, the two women, they were quarreling each other. Then Kabir struck with wonder. He asked, the two women, two Mataji, they were quarreling. Yes, they are quarreling. One of them is Janabai. Yes, Maharaj, one of them is Janabai. How is the greatest devotee of the Lord? She is quarreling now. She is quarreling, showing his finger and hand, so much chastisement. Finally, with interest, he appeared there, nearby the two Mataji. Kabir asked, why are you quarreling? Then Janabai told, he steal my kanda. You know, kanda means the cow dung. Making some for firing cow dung. She told. Then Kabir Das told, have you stolen the cow dung from her, Janabai? She told, I don't know, because Sunshine, this is the only one place we are making this. Already we collected everything. If she likes and collect her own cow dung, then she can take from my. Already stocked there. Then Kabir told, already she is agreed. Why you are Janabai? Why are you quarreling? You go and She is giving, she is ready to give you. But Janabai told, no, I want my own cow dung cake. I want my own cow dung cake, which is made by me. Then Kabir asked him, how is cow dung cake looks like same? But there are like a mountain, the cow dung was there, stockist. From there, how she identify which is yours? Then Janabai told, okay, I can search. Okay, Janabai went there and cut one cow dung in his palm, hand, in her hand, and listened something and kept somewhere. Then she was continuing this action, he was doing this action. Then Kabir told, what you are doing like madness? Huh? Then she called, at least to come to me. Just she gave one cow dung cake. Try to listen. When Kabir listened this cow dung, the translated sound, the Ram, Krishna, Ram, Krishna, 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 the Hare Krishna Mahamantra is reciting, vibration is coming from the cow dung cake. Then Kabir bowed down at her lotus feet, without any sadhana. You see, how she completely attached with the lotus feet of the Sri Krishna. This is the love, pure love and devotion. If someone has pure love, deep love, no discrimination, no hypocrisy, without hypocrisy, and selfless heart, then one can attain this. Because this path where someone is doing sadhana seriously, sincerely, severely, okay, that's true, that's right. But if he hasn't any love attached to Krishna, then he can get he can fulfill some his own desire. But the prema, ultimate goal of the human being, the prema. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also emphasis about this prema only. This Bhagavad also prema shastra. One can fully surrender the lotus feet, fully surrender the Bhagavatam. So, we must drive our life, maintain our life in this spiritual part of the mundane world. But how we easily attain that prema, the pure love, pure devotion, pure love with the devotion. This is necessary for us. That maybe one can attain easily, but it is very difficult for others also. Similarly, listen, why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and our Acharyas are focused on Bhagavatam? You should read Bhagavatam, no other scriptures. Why? Because Bhagavad is the king of all ceremony, of the crown of the jewel, all scriptures. Other scriptures, many difficulties maybe. Other scriptures, indirect, many difficulty and so many duties also, evil, everything. But in Bhagavatam, only love, only prema, only devotion. If someone, like in Vedas, so many parts of Vedas also, some austerity, sacrifices, karma, duties, rules, regulations, so many things revealed in Bhagavatam also, in Vedas also. But in Bhagavatam, only love, how to this. So our Prabhupada, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada also told, in one life, how can one attain the Krishna? In one life. This life is enough, not wait for another life. In one life, how can one easily attain the Krishna, Prema Krishna? He told, स्वतंत्रता परिहार पूर्वक गुरुवानुगत्ये निष्कपटे निस्वार्थ पर भावे कृष्णंकर जो भजन करती भगवान को प्राप्त। दैट मीन्स स्वतंत्रता परिहार पूर्वक, फ्रीडम रिनाउंसेड, निष्कपटे, विदाउट डुप्लिसिटी, निस्वार्थ पर, selfless heart, Guruvanugate, fully surrendered lotus feet of Guru, who performed the Krishna bhajan in a favorable way. In one life, he can easily attain the Krishna. But if he scrutinizes one word of the Prabhupada, what comes from the lips, from the lotus lips from the Prabhupada, very to maintain, to practice, put it into our life, practice, very critical. Because you see, first thing is Guruvanugati, fully surrendered to Guru Varga. Very critical. Maybe primary stage we can surrender to Gurudev. But after knowing something, after getting some knowledge, after getting some sadhana, then we think we became everything. We got everything. Not necessarily Guru and Gauranga. This is the now situation. But till to last breath of our life, specifically in the spiritual platform, we must fully surrender the lotus feet of Guru Varga. That is Guru Varga. Swatantrata Pariharva Purvaka. That's freedom renounced. No freedom. Completely surrender. No independent. Dependent upon others. It's very critical to practice this, really. Because this conditioned soul, this body, this mind, everything conditioned. But our acharyas are, they are fully surrendered. You see, Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, he changed the whole nation, whole world within 10 years. But what he told finally? He told, it's my Gurudev's mercy and the desire wish of the Lord. Lord's desire and my Gurudev's mercy. Not only he was telling, he was feeling also like this. He maintained, our acharyas, our Guru Vargas, they were maintaining their life in this way only. Individual, they never done anything. Whatever they have done, by the mercy of the Guru and Gauranga and Vaishnavas also. That's why they got succeeded. They got success. Swatantrata Pariharva, Niskapate, without duplicity. And our Barsana, from the Barsana, in Barsana, Ramesh Sabha is nowadays is very highly exalted personality in the spiritual platform. Most renounced saint nowadays. He is telling, where is discrimination, there is no devotion. Whereas discrimination, there is no devotion. That means no discrimination. He is great, he is smart, this is the Bheda Bhava, discrimination. No discrimination. Samadarshi, equal to all. All are equal. All are the part and parcel, all are the devotee of the Lord, son of the Lord. As long as you have some discrimination, then very not possible to attain the pure devotion. So how it will get one should get this, how one can attain this? Depend upon his sadhana only. Vast sadhana. And attached to the Guru, Gauranga and Vaishnava also. Very critical. You see, some persons they are doing severely sadhana also, but if someone comes to them, they are thinking, oh, you go, you are like this, you are not, you haven't anything, you go, don't come to me. This is happening. This is a problem for the sadhak. No discrimination. Samang sarvabhutesu. Because the Lord is the Supreme Personality. He is existing in everything, every being. He is existing in everything. Not only in Brahman, not only in Sudra, not only the genius, not only the foolish person. Everywhere he is all pervading. So our vision, if we are doing sadhana, that's true, but simultaneously we must focus about this point also. Those acharyas are speaking. No hypocrisy, no duplicity, no discrimination. And then can attain easily. That's how Prabhupada told. 24 hours we have day and night without losing a single moment for our own sense gratification. We must focus all time how to lead, increase our spirituality in this platform, in this life. 24 hours, 8 hours chanting, 8 hours satsanga, 8 hours service. When one can sleep and do so many things, he is not telling. 24 hours, 8 hours only chanting. One should chant 8 hours and one should discourse everything, discussion about spiritual topic, 8 hours satsanga and 8 hours for service, physical service. That's our Prabhupada method. So how it is possible? Mentally, sometime. While bathing, while sleeping, while brushing, while walking also, think of Krishna. Recite holy name. That is also, this our acharyas are doing like this. Our acharyas way of doing. Someone comes to speak with us. Yes, no, all right, this method is they were using. Okay, yes. But they are they always they are in the other platform. Because since birth they were practicing their life, maintaining their life in this way. So should be sincere in this way, point of view. Otherwise, very critical to, because there is more chance to fall down in this way. More chance to fall down. With it, just suppose to ahead, to advance, need many more times. But to break, to fall down, just a moment. While a second, just a while. So beware of this. Our acharyas are telling, by the sadhana, by the surrender, fully surrender and attached to the Guru, Vaishnava, Gauranga Lord, one can day by day advance in the spiritual platform, got advance. And one can situated on the top of the spiritual platform also. But simultaneously, the side effect also there. And Mahatma told, suppose the fall down topic, because the spiritual platform always dark and also light also, like sun and day and night. Advancing also lightening. But fall down is like darkness. Both are simultaneously this thing at a time. Similarly, we must do sadhana, think of this point also. Just like suppose one can fall down from the table, little loss, maybe little fracture. If someone fall down from the terrace, little great humpback. If someone fall down from the tree, coconut tree, big humpback. If someone fall down from the flight, aeroplane, finish, vanish. So, to advance, to proceed in the spiritual platform is very critical, also easy, maybe easy for the surrendered souls. But simultaneously, also there is chance of fall down if make offense. If we commit offense, there is 100% chance of falling. So both sides you must think. Just like a driver, when he drives, both sides he is looking right and left, and he drives. Similarly, this spiritual partner, like a driver, like a chariot, we must drive both sides, advance and attach and detach, advance and falling. Then can lead, not blindly go. Okay, thanks. पतितान पान वैष्णव नमो नमो. श्री राधे. जय राधे श्री राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण बोल श्री राधे. जय राधे श्री राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण बोल श्री राधे. जय श्री कृष्ण बोल श्री राधे. जय श्री कृष्ण बोल श्री राधे. जय राधे श्री राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण बोल श्री राधे. जय राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे राधे. श्री राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. गौरांग हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. जय हो. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Gauranga Jaya Nita Jaya Gaur Jaya Nita Jaya Gaur Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Jaya Gurudev Srila Gurudev Jaya Gurudev Srila Gurudev Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांगंधरिका गिरिधरी राधा कुंज बिहारी सरकार की राधा माधव जी की जय। तदपिता संध्या पाठ की श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण तदेव पांच विष्णुपाद गुरुदेव पतित पावन भक्ति पुरी श्रीमद् भक्ति सिद्धांत सत्य से प्रभुपाद की जय। जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ जी गोपाल भट्ट दास लोक से जय सबानंद सपरिकर सपास्त प्रभुपाद पश्चाचार्य गुरु परम जय। ऑल असेंबली डिवोटीज जय जय श्री राधे।